This is the weekly Health Law News Nugget from Southern Health Lawyers. I'm Rich Sanders.
And this is the Health Law News Nugget for the week of January 21st, 2019. A special edition of the News Nugget, as you can tell, because I'm in Washington, D.C. and have our nation's capital right behind me. Thanks to my wife, Rebecca, who's traveling with me today and this weekend as we're going to my old high school, St. John's College, in the district for a dinner tonight. I thought, what a perfect opportunity to stop by the Capitol and do the News Nugget. There's a whole lot of negotiations going on as we're on the 35th day of the government shutdown that obviously started in 2018. And although there are signs of the impasse ending soon, at least as far as today's Washington Post reports, there are also signs of significant implications of the shutdown on healthcare. Forbes magazine earlier this week reported that over 200 organizations in the United States related to healthcare sent a letter to Secretary Azar at the Department of Health and Human Services asking for an end to the shutdown to protect public health and safety, not the least of which is the decreased capacity of the Food and Drug Administration to conduct food safety inspections, but everything from county health departments to federal health organizations are being impacted by the shutdown, probably most specifically the FDA. In the same edition of Forbes, the shutdown also was discussed in terms of its impact on the ability of the federal government to subsidize health insurance premiums on the exchange. Although no health insurance companies are complaining of the impact of the shutdown, for sure people are worried that although their premiums may be subsidized at this point in January, that the longer the shutdown continues, that it may impact the ability of the federal government to subsidize them later on in the year. So lots of negotiations going on where the president and Democratic members of Congress are arguing over budget allocations for the wall. That's a different news nugget for an immigration lawyer. Here on the healthcare side, though, we're trying to focus on new developments at the state and federal level, the most immediate being the healthcare, or I guess the government shutdown. And we'll keep you posted on this in next week's News Nugget. This is Rich Sanders live from Washington, D.C., our nation's capital, where the streets are eerily quiet and the Smithsonian museums are shut down. It's crazy time to get 2019 started off. But thanks for watching. We'll look forward to seeing you again next week. Bye-bye.